In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to reset a WordPress password from PHPMyAdmin. You can easily change your password by clicking here on Lost Your Password. And then enter your email address that's connected to your website. But what if you're unable to access that email or your WordPress website is unable to send an email? In that case, you're going to need to reset your password from the PHPMyAdmin in your local host. So first, log into your cPanel. Then you need to click here on PHPMyAdmin. If you don't see it here, then just search for it here. Then click on it, and it'll take a few seconds to load. Now click here to expand your databases, and you need to open your website's database. If you don't remember the name of your database, then back in your cPanel, open your File Manager, and navigate to your core WordPress files. Then look for the wp-config.php file, right-click on it, and click Edit, and then Edit again. And here you can see the database's name here. Back in the PHPMyAdmin, open that database. And just to double check, click on the WP options. And then here, check if your website's domain is here. Then click on WP_users here. Now click here on Edit. And in the user_pass section, this is where the password of your website will be. Well, this is the encrypted version of the password. So just highlight it. And then enter your new password here. And now under the functions, click here because we need to re-encrypt the password. Select the MD5 encryption, then click on Go. And that's it. Your password has been changed and you can log into your dashboard now. This is how you can reset a WordPress password from PHPMyAdmin. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and then tap that bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.